say mahu.
I don't think because I know, because I can handle it. Oh, panis! Shush! Dali lang ko, sir. Yannick, can you do that?
Kailangan ko mag-practice.
I like that. You're trying to speak in Tagalog, so I can speak Tagalog na?
Bisaya only.
Bisaya only? Okay. I will try my best. Speak in Bisaya, and I will speak in Bisaya.
Okay.
Okay, let's just dance, okay? Do what I did, okay? And do it with your best shot. Oh, yes, already. One more time. Oh, don't be so angry. I will teach you. Shush. Okay. I will just be by your side, okay? Okay, Kuya, pa-play. Okay, groove it. Groove it, Yannick, groove it. Okay, right hand first, right hand. Right, left, left. Right, left, left. Right, and left, and right, and left again. Right, left. Okay, one more time, but do it with your best shot solo. Okay, let's go, Yannick. Everybody cheer for Yannick. Let's go, Yannick. Right and left and left. Right, left and left. Right, and left and right and left and left. That's great, Yannick! That's great! Ang galing ni Yannick, panis. Oh, sino ba una? Sino gusto? Ikaw na? Hindi, ito muna. Mamaya ka na, Kuya Glenn, kasi ikaw yung pinakamalupit. Oo, magaling ka. Sa accessories pa lang, parang ang galing-galing mo na. Mamaya ka na, ha? Ay, hindi halata, hindi namin alam yun. Huwag mo sasabihin. Oo. Oh.
I love you.
Biglang I love you.
Ano sabihin mo?
I love you bigla, oh. Diyan ka lang muna, kay stay put. Oh, Kuya Ron, halika na, ikaw na. Alam mo na yung gagawin, di ba? Solo mo na yan. Kaya mo na, ha? Oh, right and left and leg. Shoot, right and left. Leg, shoot, and right and left and right and left and right and left and leg. Shoot. Oh, kaya mo to. Lahat kakayanin mo na kaya mo nga nung charot. Joke lang. Wala ko sinabi, guys. Kuya, pa-play bago marinig. Yes, wow. Let's go. Kuya Glenn, nakita mo yun?
Yes.
Oh, ano masasabi mo?
Yung iba naman.
Iba naman. Alam mo na yung gagawin? Alam mo na yung steps?
Sweets.
Sweets. Ang sweet lang.